Alright guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to the first video of the future channel, Random Box Unbox. We're just going to use this channel to be unboxing random stuff, mostly tech stuff, but it's going to be pretty random. So I wanted to make my first video about keycaps for keyboards. It's something I've been into lately, and I really enjoy digging deep into where these keycaps come from and who are the artists working on them. Some of them are very simple, some of them are just machine made, and some of them are handmade. I really want everyone to enjoy this, and let's see how this goes with this channel, and hopefully we can succeed and we can help everyone out make choices. So this particular keycap is from a website called MMKeys. Most of these keycap handmade keycap makers are from China, Vietnam, Taiwan. From what I've experienced, I have actually yet to find a handmade keycap here in the US. So they do an amazing job, and they're not cheap. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one. I'm very excited for it. I haven't seen it, only on the website, and I will also post the links below if you're interested. So let's go ahead and just open this up. It has a really cool tape. It says, "Hey man, long time no see. Hey man." So I thought it was pretty cool. Let's open that up. Okay. Here it has a QR code. Not sure. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Empty box. Pretty much has this little bag. Let's put this away. All right, let's see what you get in here. Sorry guys, I'm not really good at editing videos or anything. This is something I'm gonna have to learn the hard way. So for now, just please bear with me. All right. So opening it up, and let's see. So, all right. So here we have. This is a Cherry MX R4 size, so it's supposed to be kind of like OEM. This one's called Carbon Heart, so it's like a carbon color. So you can see, very nice. Wow, very excited about this. It looks exactly like the picture. Very well made product. Cannot complain. Let me see if I can put some light into this. Let me see that. No, I don't think I can. Not right now. But so let's go ahead and put this into the keyboard. I have a K95 Platinum keyboard. So let's see how this works. So let's just go ahead and get my Cherry MX keycap remover. And as you can see, I have many other. So I'm just going to plug that out. We're going to plug this one right in. And that is it, guys. And as you can see, I have many other keycaps I'd be more than happy to do reviews on. And it's not actually quite as tall as the one I have there, but I have various sizes as well. So very cool. Not disappointed at all. Thank you guys for watching this channel. I know this is not super quality content, but I would really appreciate it if you subscribe, and I promise to do my best if this takes off. Thank you very much. This is Mayor. You guys have a good day.